Have you ever looked up at the rainy sky and wondered, where does all that water come from? And how does it fall from the sky like magic? Well, it's not magic, it's science. The water you see falling today may have once been part of the ocean, a river, or even your own glass of water. Crazy, isn't it? Surely you've wondered at some point, why does rain keep falling from the sky day after day, year after year, and yet never run out of water? And why has it been raining for thousands, millions, even billions of years? But our Earth never floods completely? Could it be that our Earth is like a bottomless bucket, capable of absorbing all the rain that falls from the sky? First, we need to understand, what is rain? Rain is actually made up of water droplets formed from water vapor in the air. When the sun shines, water from rivers, lakes, oceans, even from plants, evaporates into invisible water vapor. This vapor is lighter than air, so it rises upward. As the vapor rises higher, it encounters cooler layers of air. At this point, the vapor begins to condense into tiny droplets of water. Millions, even billions of these tiny droplets gather together, forming the clouds we see in the sky. So, why does rain fall from the sky? As the water droplets in the cloud collide and merge, they form larger drops. This process continues, making the droplets in the cloud heavier and heavier. When the cloud moves into colder regions of the atmosphere, the temperature inside the cloud drops. This cooling causes the water vapor in the cloud to condense more rapidly, leading to the formation of even larger droplets. Eventually, when the droplets become too heavy, they can no longer stay suspended in the air. Under the force of gravity, they begin to fall as the rain we see. Depending on atmospheric conditions, we can observe different types of rain, such as drizzle. These are very small raindrops, only about 0.5 millimeters in diameter. Showers. These are larger raindrops that usually fall quickly and heavily. Hail. When a cloud passes through a region with temperatures below 0 degrees C, the water inside the cloud freezes into small ice pellets and falls to the ground. When rain falls, the water flows into rivers, lakes, and oceans, and part of it seeps into the ground, helping to replenish underground water sources. After that, the water evaporates again, returns to the atmosphere, and forms clouds, continuing its journey. This journey is called the water cycle. It is an incredibly sophisticated closed-loop system, and this water cycle is also the answer to the question, why has it been raining for thousands, millions, even billions of years, and yet our Earth has never been completely flooded? And of course, our Earth isn't a bottomless bucket, right? Next, let's explore some fascinating facts about rain. 1. Animal rain. Can you believe that sometimes it can rain fish? In Honduras, there's a strange phenomenon called fish rain. Once a year, people there witness hundreds of fish falling from the sky. Scientists explain that this phenomenon may be caused by tornadoes or waterspout that suck up water, along with fish, from rivers and lakes into the sky, then release them when the wind weakens. 2. Colored rain. In 2001, people in Kerala, India witnessed a bizarre phenomenon. Red rain. This event lasted for several months and sparked a lot of debate. Some scientists believe this was caused by algae spores, while others think it might have been dust from a comet. 3. Acid rain. Acid rain is a more serious phenomenon. It occurs when industrial and transportation emissions produce sulfuric and nitric acids in the atmosphere. When these acids mix with rainwater, they create acid rain, which can harm plants, soil, and water sources. This phenomenon has been recorded in many parts of the world, especially in highly industrialized areas. 4. Light rain. Although it's not rain in the traditional sense, the phenomenon known as light rain happens when tiny ice crystals in the air reflect sunlight or other light sources, creating a sparkling effect. This is often seen on cold mornings when sunlight passes through the icy crystals in the atmosphere. 5. Rain on other planets. Did you know that rain doesn't only occur on Earth? It also exists on other planets, and sometimes it's far stranger than the rain we know. On Jupiter and Saturn, scientists believe it actually rains diamonds. In the deeper layers of their atmospheres, extreme pressure can transform carbon into diamond crystals. On Venus, because the atmosphere is rich in sulfuric acid, it rains extremely corrosive acid that can dissolve metal in seconds. As you can see, rain may seem like a simple phenomenon, but it holds within it a world of wonder. From its complex formation in the atmosphere to its cultural stories and scientific curiosities, rain is an essential part of our lives. When you watch the raindrops fall, remember that each drop has traveled a long journey, from the vast oceans up into the clouds before returning to Earth. Rain is not just water. It is life. It is culture. It is human history. Let us cherish and protect this precious resource. Every small action we take, from saving water to reducing pollution, helps protect the natural water cycle and ensures that clean, nourishing rain will continue to sustain our planet. What do you think about rain? Feel free to share your own stories and memories of rain in the comments.